Sundo natin, Berna Baron. Ayan na. Salamat, Manong. Dito na kami sa Bricks Hotel, Manong, no? Ito na yung mga hotel namin. Magandang hotel din to. Yun nga lang, 3 star lang yata to, Berna, 4 star. Sa nice hotel in Dumaguete, simple lang, 3.5 per night. Okay, medyo unique yung hotel, oh. Merong lumang motorsiklo. Ang ganda ng pangalan, Bricks Hotel, Panay Bricks. Okay, ito na yung kanilang bar and restaurant. Maganda naman. Sarap din ang pagkain dito. Yan ba yung, yan ba yung prawns? Prawns ba yan? Yan yung shrimp?
Shrimp po.
Masarap to. Squid ink. Parang kamukha sa Puto Fuego. Yes. Ganito pala gambas nila. Okay, so room namin, room 316. Uy, ang liit pala ng kwarto natin. Sobrang liit Berna, sobrang liit. Hindi kaya mahal to sa 3.5? Parang mahal sa 3.5 to. Sobrang liit naman ng room. 3.5, less senior citizen. Ganun ba? Oh, pati toilet, maliit lang. Oh, bintana pala yan. Kaya buksan mga, ayun. Okay, at least may bintana. Okay, chill out na ka tayo, Berna. Time to rest. Ang hotel namin, no? Talagang rustic ang finish, oh. Ito yung mga ceiling. Yan, talagang rustic. Well, okay naman. At least something different. At least may TV ka naman, no? Well, at least kahit papano, comfortable naman. Meron din pala silang mga dalawang queen size at single bed, no? Pero ang amin, pinili namin na isang king size para mas malaki. Well, at least it's rustic but very, very comfortable. So tomorrow, after breakfast, we're taking a boat to Siquijor, and that's Coco Grove, the best resort in the island of Siquijor, which will take us just less than 1 hour, and we will be there already on that very famous resort where they have a nice beach, and also they have scuba diving, and it is actually a diver's paradise, and hopefully we can go scuba diving.